This is a video chart presentation of CrowdGather Inc. CrowdGather is an OTCQB listed company trading our ticker CRWG. You can see a sharp spike back here in March where the stock ran from about 6.5 cents all the way up. This was a high of 23 cents. Fell backwards to a 7-cent low, and then pretty much from mid-May through today, the stock's been stuck in a channel basically between 10 cents and 13 cents. Even this one pop here in July, price promptly pulled right back down inside that channel. Here to wrap up last week, closed at 13.5 cents. Volume seemed to pick up at the end of the week. So we just want to pay attention to this, see if it's going to break out of this channel, and potentially go up here and test some initial resistance up around 16 cents. The MACD is giving hints that may happen, as the MACD line is pushed above zero, and the signal line is right now on that 0 point. The MACD and signal line both moving north of the center line are bullish indications that the chart is trying to move into a bullish trend and that the momentum is growing. Can also see that in the slow stochastics, but that's because the stock's made about a 35% move in the last couple weeks. Slow sto again telling us that momentum is building. Also getting a reading from the money flow index of bullishness. You can see just the sharp upward move over the last 3-4 weeks. Just lending another signal that the momentum is building in the chart. Can also get that from the relative strength index, with the 14 now registering a 64.5. 50 is basically the benchmark point between bullishness and bearishness. You can see as the stock was just teeter-tottering back and forth above that line, bulls and bears fighting for control of momentum. So what we always look for is to see a little bit of distance between that 50 mark with the RSI and for it to hold above that center line to show that the bulls are maintaining control of the momentum. Now those are all positive things, but ultimately it always comes down to the candles. And I'll go ahead and note this bottom support at 10 cents. As a key point, the chart absolutely must hold, otherwise it's probably going to come back down here and test this 6-7 cent area. I'd even pay a little bit closer attention to these moving averages. Primarily this brown line, the 50-day moving average. It's just shy of 12 cents right now. Charts are always in a much more bullish position when they're trading over top of the 50-day. And on any pullback, that's what I'd like to see hold. Just so that CrowdGather is trying to do something along those lines and start building some higher lows within the channel to try and break out. Now to the resistance side of things, I definitely want to note the upper side of this channel. Right there at 13 cents. See the stock price, as mentioned, just closed outside the channel on Friday. Obviously that's a bullish thing to see it move outside the channel, but we definitely want to see a little bit more distance here. It's only a half a penny above it. We'll want to watch the start this week out, see volume keep coming in to show that there's more support of a breakout, because we have to keep in mind what happened back here in July where the stock pulled right back inside the channel. So let's be looking for upward pressure. Right now the indicators are definitely giving signs of bullishness, which may lead to a move to challenge another resistance up here at 16.5 cents. Chart has a nice look for that to potentially happen. You can certainly see the pattern of higher lows throughout 2014, and now technical traders will start to look for some higher highs. And you can just see how over the near term that trend line would potentially tie in with some more resistance around 16.5 cents. Overall though, nice looking uptrend the chart's been making over the last year, and one we want to pay attention to going forward to see how it performs. But as always, merely my interpretation of the CRWG chart. I'm not a financial consultant, strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.